Welcome to Ptrac Training Video 06, Digital Forms. My name is Shane, and I'm one of the Ptrac developers. In this video, I will show you the features available when using digital forms to perform an inspection, including adding, editing, and deleting deficiencies, taking and annotating images, finalizing forms, printing, and submitting inspections. Let's start at the Forms tab. We can see that we have access to digital forms and PDF forms. We will cover PDF forms in the next video. In this case, tap on Digital Forms. Inspections can have one or more digital forms.
Tap Plumbing Top-Out to select this form.
Since we have not created this digital form yet, tap Create Form. We can now see a simple form which can include fields like partial inspection, TSBPE registration number, among others. This is where you can enter data about the inspection that are not deficiencies. If you have registration numbers, the app will pre-fill these fields for you. Any text box or checkbox here can be edited normally. You can delete digital forms if you accidentally chose the wrong one, for example. To delete the form, tap Remove Form. Just know that all the data you have entered will be deleted and is not recoverable. Once you create a digital form, you can pass and submit the inspection without adding any deficiencies. The review and submission process are the same whether or not there are any deficiencies. We will see what this process looks like later in the video. For now, let's add deficiencies. When you encounter your first deficiency, tap Add Deficiency. All categories will appear on the left. Tap Termination Events Gas. This reveals a column of deficiencies that are part of that category. Next, tap on a deficiency, Support. To add an instance of this deficiency, tap the plus icon on the bottom right. The deficiency notes is for any text you wish to record. Tap the notes box to open up the keyboard. You can also use your tablet's speech-to-text here. Flashing missing on 2 gas roof vents.
Tap Done to hide the keyboard. To add an image, press the camera icon on the bottom right.
If this is your first time using this device, you will need to give camera and file access permissions to the app. Tap Allow on both notices. You only have to do this once. Take the desired picture by pressing the capture icon.
If you don't like the picture, tap Retry to try again. If you do, tap OK.
This brings you to the annotation page, where you can draw and mark down the image. On the top right, tap the color icon and select the color you wish to draw with. Draw on the image by dragging your finger around the screen. You can draw as many lines as you want, as well as change colors. If you want to undo an annotation, press Undo as many times as you want. Press Redo to add your annotations back. If you want to wipe all annotations, tap the Clear All button. Just know that you cannot undo this process. If you delete the annotations this way, they will be gone forever.
When you're satisfied with your annotations, press Done.
You will be brought back to the deficiency page, where your notes from before and the new image are both visible. You can add multiple images if needed. Note the support deficiency in the middle of the screen now has a text and an image icon next to it. This is to help you keep track of which deficiencies have data associated with them. Tap the Back to List icon to return to the deficiency view. Since we added an instance of support deficiency, we can see a card on the right side of the screen. This card offers a summary of the data you've entered.
In this case, a note, an image, and the timestamp.
If you wish to delete this deficiency, tap the trash icon at the right end of the card. You can add as many instances of this deficiency or any deficiency as you need. Tap the plus icon on the bottom right of the screen and follow the process we just went through. Let's add a few more deficiencies to this inspection. We'll go to the Protection of Piping category, From Freezing Deficiency, and add the notes, Missing section of insulation on hot water line at laundry room. We'll add another one in the same category, but this time a sleeving deficiency. Missing grommet at main water entry through purlins. In the category column, we can see exclamation icons. This means that there is at least one deficiency present in each of these categories. Press back in the top left to return to the forms view. When you have completed the digital form, you can review your work, print it out on site, and submit the results. Let's step through that now. Tap on the Overview tab. The first step is to fill in the inspection result and total hours field. Tap on Inspection Result and select the appropriate result. If this is a combo inspection, you will have multiple inspection results to fill. Tap Total Hours and use the scroll wheel to set the hours you have worked on. The Finalize button becomes active. Tap that to continue. After a brief loading screen, you will see the Finalize inspection view. You will see a summary of all the deficiencies you have recorded in the order you recorded them. Tap View PDF to see the PDF that the app generated. This will open the file in Adobe Acrobat. If it doesn't, make sure Adobe Acrobat is installed and set as the default apps for PDFs. You can print the PDF by tapping the three dots icon and then Print at the bottom. Make sure the printer is connected.
Once you connect your printer to the tablet, you will get the option to print this document.
When that's done, press the tablet's back button to return to the app. Tap Finalize to complete and lock the form. A checkmark will appear next to the form name on the left side of the screen. When all forms have been finalized, tap Submit Inspection. Make sure you have printed off any forms you need before submitting, as they will not be accessible after submitting. Tap Submit to continue. The inspection has been completed and successfully submitted. Back in the inspection list, that inspection is no longer visible. In this video, we learned about the features of digital forms, such as adding deficiencies, taking and annotating images. We then learned how to finalize, print, and submit an inspection. This concludes this training video. Thank you for watching.